Hi, this is Mike Schmitz, and welcome to another weekly tip video. Today we're going to be revisiting Raycast. Darcy did a great job covering the whole Raycast update recently, but I want to call your attention to one specific feature which is a little bit hidden, and that is the ability to use different large language models inside of Raycast AI. It requires an additional add-on beyond the Raycast Pro subscription, but it's still cheaper than a direct subscription to AI services like OpenAI or Perplexity. Here's how you use it. First, let's go into the Raycast settings and look at how you can access the different AI models. So trigger Raycast using your keyboard hotkey. I have mine set to Command Space to replace the built-in Spotlight keyboard shortcut, and then hit Command Comma to go to the settings. Okay, now in the settings, we need to make sure that we have two things enabled. The first thing is a Raycast Pro subscription. So if you go to the Account tab, you can sign up for a Raycast Pro subscription. In this case, you can see I am already subscribed to Raycast Pro, which adds a bunch of additional features, including Raycast AI. This gives you access to AI features, but uses some of the smaller AI models. So if you want to use some of the more advanced models, you'll also need to enable an add-on. To do that, go to the AI tab, scroll down to the section where you see GPT-4, and make sure that your account has the GPT-4 add-on enabled. Now this add-on is an additional $8 a month, but even with this add-on, it's still cheaper than an OpenAI subscription, which is $20 a month. So I've been using AI inside of Raycast as soon as GPT-4 came to Raycast as a way to save money on my AI subscription. You don't get all of the OpenAI features, but you get the majority of them, including the chats, and I like the user interface for using the AI features in Raycast better anyways. Okay, so once you have it enabled, you can go up to the top here and you can choose the default model that you want to use. So right now it's set to the Llama 3 Sonar Large model for Perplexity. But by default, I'm probably going to want to use GPT-4o. So let's select that as our default AI model.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.